that's pitch 10. Okay, so this acrylic is one piece. It's about 1.5 meter wide, 2.2 meters tall. Okay, with the control and the power supply on either side, and we applied our LED strips integrated within the acrylic. Okay, and this whole piece of acrylic sheets, we used the little bit of aluminum bar there to give a little bit of back support to form the screen. When we say, as I said before, if the customer they do not want the ribbon cable, now we apply the solder technology. That's a solder mark there. Okay, compare with the previous ribbon cable, this considers to be quite neat and clean. Okay, this is neat and clean in the back, and nothing there to block the way. It's good for transparency. You see, this is pitch 10, good for transparency. With the power supply, all power units sitting on the bottom there.